So today's video we'll discussing on solenoidal and irrotational. So irrotational is also called conservative vector field here. And we know that solenoidal means if divergence of f or del dot f equal to 0, then it is called solenoidal. And irrotational means curl of f equal to 0 or del cross f equal to 0, then it is called irrotational. Okay, so today we will solving the examples on solenoidal and irrotational. So first one is vector f is equal to 2xy square plus yzi plus 2x square y plus xz plus 2yz square into j plus 2y square z plus xy into k is a conservative force field or irrotational, and also find its scalar potential. We show solution. Here we show that curl f equal to 0, so that is a conservative force or irrotational vector. So curl f is del cross f. So in the previous video we'll solve the example on curl f here, that is determinant of I, j, k. Second row is del, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row is vector f 2xy square plus y square z, 2x square y plus xz plus 2yz square, and k is 2y square z plus xy. And we know that how to expand the determinant. So I dou by dou y of 2y square z plus xy. So 2y square z is 4zy and plus xy it become x here on differentiating with respect to y partially, and minus of dou by dou y of 2x square y plus xz plus 2y z square become minus x minus 4yz. So plus x minus x plus 4yz minus 4yz cancelled out. So first term is 0i. Then minus j into dou by dou x of 2y square z plus xy, it become minus y, and dou by dou z of 2xy square plus yz is minus y. So it is also 0j plus k into dou by dou x of 2x square y plus xz plus 2yz square is, so 4xy plus z, and minus dou by dou y of 2xy square plus yz is 4xy, and yz is z here, that is minus 4xy minus z. So plus z minus z plus 4xy minus 4xy cancelled out, 0k. So 0i, 0j, 0k. So which use del cross f is equal to 0. So which denotes vector f is conservative force field or irrotational. Now we finding the scalar potential. So we have to find the phi such that del phi is equal to f. So del phi equal to f be the scalar potential. So del phi is dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj, dou phi by dou z into k is equal to, use the right hand side is vector f here, that is the given function. So first one is dou pi by dou xi, and in right hand side 2xy square plus yz. So use the term I and I. So now we integrating this function with respect to x here. So on integrating, dou by dou x will cancel out. So pi is equal to, right hand side is integration of 2xy square plus yz dx plus some arbitrary constant f1 of yz here. So when we integrating with respect to x, write the arbitrary constant as f1 of yz. So integration of 2x y square with respect to x is x square by 2 into y square. So 2 and 2 cancelled out, x square y square. Then integration of yz dx is, so yz is constant, integration of dx is x here, plus f1 yz, say equation number 1. So similarly, dou phi by dou yj, 2x square y plus xz plus 2yz square j. So again we integrating this function with respect to y here. So dou by dou y cancelled out, phi is equal to right hand side integration of 2x square y plus xz plus 2y z square into dy. So when we integrating with respect to y, we will writing the arbitrary constant as f2 of xz. So on integrating with respect to y, so 2x square y become 2x square y square by 2, 2 cancelled out, x square y square. Then xy into dz, so xz is constant, integration of dy is y. And last one is 2yz square, y become y square by 2, 2 cancelled out, y square z square plus f2 of xz, say equation number 2. Then last one is dou phi by dou z into k, here we choosing the term as 2y square z plus xy, and here also we integrating with respect to z. So dou by dou z cancelled out, pi is equal to, so right hand side integration of 2y square z plus xy dz, and here we integrating with respect to z means we using the arbitrary constant as f3 of xy, and integration of 2y square z, z is z square by 2, 2 cancelled out, y square z square, and xy dz, so xy is constant, integration of dz become z here, xy z plus f3 of xy, say equation number 3. So by using equation 1, 2 and 3, we will calculating the result of f1 of yz, f2 of xz and f3 of xy. So for calculating f1 of yz, we using equation number 2 and 3. So for f1 of yz, we using equation 2 and 3. Here we have to choosing the term which is not containing x here, so that gives the result of f1 of yz. So if you observe the equation number 2, here y square z square is the only function which is not containing x here. Similarly in third equation, y square z square is the only term which is not containing x here. So our f1 of yz is y square z square. Then f2 of xz, so for f2 of xz we using equation 1 and 3. So here we choosing the term which is not containing y. So in equation number 1 and 3 there is no term which is free from y here, so all the term containing y, so our f2 of xz become 0. And last one is f3 of xy. So f3 of xy means we using equation 1 and 2 which is not containing z here. So x square y square, x square y square, so these are the only two terms which is not containing z here. So our f3 of xy is x square y square. So now use f1, f2 and f3 of xy in any one of these equations, either in 1 or in 2 or in 3, which use the required scalar potential. So phi is equal to x square y square plus xyz. Here if you substitute f1 of yz as y square z square, so which gives the required scalar potential. So scalar potential means you will use the formula del phi is equal to f. So use del phi equal to given f and integrate, and find out the value of f1, f2 and f3. So here we given the note for calculating f1, f2 and f3. We need to choose the arbitrary function f1 of yz, f2 of xz, f3 of xy such that we obtain an unique expression for phi. To choose f1 of yz, we look into the equation 2 and 3 and select the term which is not containing x here. Similarly, we have to choose f2 of xz from 1 and 3 and f3 of xy from 1 and 2. With the help of this note, we will easily calculate f1, f2, f3 as the scalar potential. Next example, show that vector f equal to xi plus yj divided by x square plus y square is both solenoidal and irrotational. Means we will calculating divergence of f and curl of f. So divergence of f is solenoidal and curl of f is irrotational. So solution, first we calculating divergence of f or del dot f. So del is dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou zk dot factor f. So factor f is divide each numerator term by denominator. So x square divided by x square plus y square I plus y divided by x square plus y square into j. Then differentiate dou by dou xi of x by x square plus y square I. So I dot I is 1. So dou by dou x of x divided by x square plus y square plus dou by dou y of y divided by x square plus y square, and dou by dou z is 0 because the second bracket is not containing any k term, it containing only I and j, so here k value become 0. So using only I and j term. Then we differentiating x by x square plus y square with respect to x partially. So applying differentiation of u by v rule. So keep it denominator term as it is x square plus y square. So differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Then sign is minus. Now keep it x as it is. Differentiation of denominator term with respect to x here. So differentiation of x square is 2x into x is 2x square and y square is 0. So whole divided by x square plus y square whole square plus similarly differentiate with respect to y by applying u by v rule. So here also keep it x square plus y square, that is denominator term as it is, differentiate numerator term. So y is 1 minus differentiate denominator term 2y into numerator y is minus 2y square whole divided by x square plus y square whole square. So here LCM is x square plus y square whole square. So add the numerator term y square minus x square minus y square. So plus x square is plus 2x square and minus 2x square cancelled out. Y square plus y square 2y square minus 2y square, which is also 0. So our divergence of f or delta f value is 0. So which gives the solenoidal. Then irrotational. So use the curl of f ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and vector f is x by x square y square, y by x square y square, and there is no any k term. So here third term is 0. So on expanding the determinant, so dou by dou y of 0 is 0, dou by dou z of y by x square y square is also 0, and minus j of dou by dou x of 0, dou by dou z of x by x square y square is also 0, plus k into dou by dou x of y by x square plus y square minus dou by dou y of x divided by x square plus y square. So once again we differentiating by applying u by v rule with respect to x and y. So which use minus 2xy by x square plus y square whole square plus 2xy divided by x square y square whole square. So minus 2xy plus 2xy, it is also 0. So our curl f is equal to 0, which gives the irrotational or conservative. Find the constants a and b such that factor f is equal to axy plus z cube I plus 3x square minus z into j plus bx square minus y into k is irrotational, and find the scalar potential function phi such that factor f is equal to del phi. So first one we calculating the unknown terms a and b. So we need to find solution. We need to find a and b such that curl f is equal to 0. So del cross f is ijk dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, and use the third row as factor f I, j and k, so which is equal to 0. Now expand the determinant. I into bracket dou by dou y of bx z square is 0, minus y become minus 1, and dou by dou z of 3x square is 0, minus z is plus 1, because in this direction sign is minus, so minus 1 into minus z minus 1, that become plus 1. Then sign of j is minus, so minus j of dou by dou x of bx z square minus y. So with respect to x, bz square and y is 0, and dou by dou z of axy plus z cube. So axy is 0, z cube is minus 3 z square, because sign is minus in this direction. And last one is plus k dou by dou x of 3x square is 6x minus z is 0, and dou by dou y of axy is ax, and z cube is 0. 6x minus ax is equal to 0. So here our first term is 0, minus 1 plus 1. Now in bz square minus 3z square, so take z square as common or minus z square. So remaining term is b minus 3, and in 6x minus ax, x as common, so 6 minus a into k is equal to 0. The above equation is identically satisfied. So this one is denoted as b minus 3 equal to 0 and 6 minus a equal to 0. So which gives the value of a as 6 and b as 3. So using a equal to 6 and b equal to 3 in this equation, so it become 0. So del cross f is equal to 0. So which gives the function f is irrotational. So now we will calculating the scalar potential by using the formula factor f is equal to del phi here. So del phi is dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou zj, dou yj, dou phi by dou z into k is equal to factor f, that is the given function. So first one use dou phi by dou x equal to 6xy plus z cube. Now integrate with respect to x, so which gives phi. So dou by dou x cancelled out. Integration of 6xy plus z cube with respect to x. So when we integrating with respect to x, write the arbitrary constant as f1 of yz. So phi equal to, with respect to x, it become x square by 2 into y. So 2 ones are 2 3s are 3x square y, and z cube dx is, z cube is constant integration of dx is x here, x z cube plus f1 yz, say equation number 1. Then we using dou phi by dou y into 3x square minus z. So integrate with respect to y, dou by dou y cancelled out, so phi is equal to 3x square minus z into dy plus f2 of xz. Because we integrating with respect to y, so write the arbitrary constant as f2 of xz. Now integration of 3x square dy, so 3x square is constant, dy is y, minus z is constant, dy is again y here, so minus yz plus f2 of xz, say equation number 2. Then last one is dou phi by dou z of last equation, 3x z square minus y. So on integrating with respect to z, means write the arbitrary constant as f3 of xy. So integrate with respect to z, z square is z cube by 3, so 3 cancelled out, x z cube and y dz is yz plus y cube xy, say equation number 3. So here we'll get it 1, 2 and 3 as the equation. Now we'll calculating f1, f2 and f3 with the help of these three equations. So while calculating f1 of yz, we using equation number 2 and 3 and choose the term which is not containing x in equation number 2 and 3. So here minus yz is not containing x, so our f1 of yz is minus yz. Next one is f2 of xz. So use equation 1 and 3 and choose the term which is not containing y here. So x z cube, x z cube. So f2 of xz is x z cube. And last one is f3 of xy. So for 1 and 2, choose the term which is not containing z here. So 3x square y, 3x square y. f3 of xy is 3x square y. So substituting f1, f2, f3 in 1, 2 and 3, so you'll get it the required scalar potential as phi equal to 3x square y plus x z cube minus yz.